Okay, I'm out here with the R5 yet again, and I'm gonna cut to the chase this time. I've raised the wheelie bar. Yeah, put another piece of HDPE on the wheelie bar to up it just a little bit, and now I can wheelie and rip myself up while wheelieing. Oh yeah. I didn't want to make it completely vertical, but it can hold some wheelies now. Yeah, hold some wheels and try to rip those wheels up. It can try though, but I don't think it has the power for it. Yeah, it can do that too, especially with the servo in it. Time for a walk. Boy, this thing is wow, and it sounds sick. And it can take a nice little tumble like that without wrecking itself. Oh yeah. I mean, the steering geometry on this thing is absolute garbage, but it works some kind of way. Yeah, it looks like something didn't happen again. What happened this time? Oh no, my screw is gone. Yeah, I guess it wasn't real loctited enough, and it's gone. Yep, so now I got two-wheel drive. Even after all that, that one little fall that loves to rear its ugly head happens again. Still a wheelie though. But it has absolutely no control when it's wheeling without those front wheels spinning in the air. God, and this thing's heavy. Yeah. So, as short and sweet as it is, I may have to go to marine loctite or super glue to keep that bolt together. It is what it is. But at least right now, this is the only problem that it has. You can tumble and try to wreck yourself, and the arms is flexible enough and the links are strong enough, so the thing isn't going to tear itself to pieces, which is awesome. So we are having an awesome 4th of July, and it's, well, nearly 100 degrees out here. So I'll leave the R5 intact, sorta, and just keep on rolling with this thing.